Hello kids, today we are going to draw feet and claws. So let's start. Firstly, we draw a border with the help of black sketch and scale. So firstly, start with the hen. Firstly, draw two straight lines, then divide into three parts like this, and then curve their front side. Then draw his nails like this, and then draw some curved lines inside of these feet. Okay, now we draw feet of eagle. Draw again two straight lines, then divide into four parts like this and curve from front side and do some wavy lines. Then draw his nails. Okay, then draw half curves and some dotted curves. Okay, now we draw a parrot feet. Draw two straight lines and again we have to divide into four parts like this. Then draw his nails and some curved lines. Now draw feet of duck. Divide into three parts like this, then join these three parts with the help of curved line and then draw his nails like this. Okay, now we draw woodpecker feet. Draw two straight lines and divide into four parts like this. Then we draw nails and then we draw some half curved lines like this. Okay, after completing drawing, we do outline with the black sketch pen. I hope you learned feet and claws of birds. So try it at your home and see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Bye bye kids.